Are you having issues with finding Bling effect on TikTok? Let me show you how we can find it in less than a minute. So open your TikTok app, switch from home to discover at the bottom of the screen. Now go to the top of the screen, tap on search, and don't search for Bling, but the full name of this effect is Golden Bling. So search for that, and it should be the first thing that shows up for you, like for me. So tap on the Golden Bling, and if you don't want to do this process over and over again, add this Golden Bling to your favorite so you can easily access it. And if you want to already record with this effect, just tap on the camera button at the bottom of the screen. And if you have better smartphone than I do, it will work for you. So hopefully you don't have as bad phone as I do. If you need any other guide for TikTok app, just comment below this video, and I will try to publish that guide for you very soon.